life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Steady kisses, we get kicks. Steady kisses, we get kicks. It's a hard knock life. Hey babe.
Hey, man.
Do you have any idea why the ceiling was leaking earlier?
No, this is probably condensation.
I have no idea what could have been possibly leaking. It is like stars. He's ready. Are you so excited to get up in that rusty ass ceiling? Now put on more clothes. What are we doing this morning, babe?
We're gonna take your top off.
Take your top off. My job this morning is to film him taking her top off, so I get to just have my coffee. Are you filming me, filming you? Oh my goodness. Look at how cute she is.
Getting all this black tar off, especially off the skylight. There's my mom and dad's little camper.
Dave and I are having a roof party. We have a very ambitious goal of getting the roof completely prepped by Sunday and pouring the roof like Sunday afternoon. So we are going to go hard these next 2 days and get this roof completely tar-free. What are you doing?
I'm the Ryobi multi-tool. You know, I don't think I'm saying anything profound here, but being tarred and feathered would be terrifying. Oh my god.
Stupid! I'm coming back home, and look how cute he is, hard at work up there. He's so cute. Hello, I'm going to hit you.
Baby, why do you have a French fry pillow?
A tape measure fell off the top of the RV from 8 feet in the sky. It hit me on the head when I was on the ground. I was looking at something under the RV, so I had my ear up towards I was looking at something under the RV, and it really hurt.
And I was sitting on the toilet while you were injured.
It's true, nobody was there.
I'm so sorry.
I felt like I was being attacked.
Honestly, we got a lot done today. Hi, baby.
5 more minutes, Dad.
I'm just saying hi.
I thought you were telling me to stop working.
Well, I am soon.
No!
It is the first official family work day here at the Browns.
The sun has finally come out for family day. Here's Dave up on a ladder, working on a big gash in the front.
Dad and I have been bondoing this.
Oh, you have a bonding?
Bondoing time.
Bondoing moments. Here's Meredith up on the roof, working on installing a skylight. We're so grateful for their help today. Look at this. That's not magnetic dirt. That's rust. Look at these boys. Hi, boys.
Hello. How's it sound?
It sounds amazing, I think. I know nothing about mufflers.
Okay. All right, Mom, send down the bees.
Oh my.
Wow.
Wait, are these hornet nests? Yeah.
The bees.
No one's home, but like scary, right? Is this a hornet's nest?
I think so. Comment below.
Always wear eye protection if you have the time.
So, we have prepped and cleaned the seam. I got all the dirt and debris off it with some acetone, and I know it does not look clean, but it just cleans this roof gets.
She used to work at Dairy Queen, so that's how she knows how to do the...
A little ice cream cone here.
Wow. Turn it upside down.
We don't do that with cones, sir, just blizzards. We're roofing today. Scrubbing her down. Dirty, dirty girl with some Dawn dish soap and some warm water. Then we're gonna hose her off, get all the grime off, and then let it air dry in the 100-degree weather, so it should be dry in about 35 seconds. And we're gonna roll. Let's roll.
Oh, that's a Purdy Golden Eagle right there. That's Purdy Golden Eagle. That's Purdy Golden Eagle. Ooh, that's Purdy Golden Eagle.
Dave just thought the name Purdy Golden Eagle was really funny, which he's not wrong. And so I gave him a note, and I thought it'd be funny if he did 1, oh that, 2, give me the time to zoom, 3, throw them, and 4, that's a Purdy Golden Eagle. Let's see how this classically trained actor takes direction.
Oh, that?
No, you have to say that, and then that's a Purdy.
Oh, that?
Give me the time to zoom.
Oh, that? That's Purdy Golden Eagle.
You have to throw it. Go.
Oh, that? That's a Purdy Golden Eagle right there. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. We're having so much fun putting out these videos. It is, however, like having 7 full-time jobs at the same time.
Doing the editing, we're doing renovations, we're filming the renovations. It's a lot, but we're having so much fun doing this for you guys. And if you're enjoying the content, please click the subscribe button below.
Next episode, we paint the camper.
I'm so excited. You guys are gonna love it. She's a brand new color. We can't wait to share it with you guys. We show the whole process from prepping and painting and sanding and all of that. It's gonna be right here next week. We're posting it.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
See you then.